ProTutor lesson turns a Proteus project into a self-running lab session. An AI tutor guides each student through the exercise, checks their answers against the live simulation, and records everything for marking. Creating one of these lessons is a simple process and takes place directly inside Proteus. The starting point for a lesson plan is almost certainly the lab sheets your students work today, exercise notes, a homework handout, or an online exercise. On the Project Settings tab, click New Lesson Plan, fill in the basics, and Design Chat opens. Drop your materials straight in and it reads them and proposes the lesson step by step. Then you just chat until the structure matches the way you teach. Behind the scenes, the plan is saved as a structured JSON file with the steps, the hints, the marking criteria, all in a standard format. You never need to look inside, but because it's a file, you can export it, share it with colleagues, and import it into any project. That's what we'll do here. Import a plan we prepared earlier. Start a new chat, and because authoring is switched on, the tutor now offers us a test run. This is where it gets interesting. The agent runs the lesson exactly as your students will see it, and you play the student. So work through the exercise for real. Run the simulation, watch what the lamps actually do, answer the questions. Everything you answer gets checked against the live simulation, and the progress bar ticks off each step as you go. You can also step out of the student role whenever you like. Everything you type in the square brackets is an instruction to the author, not a student answer. Ask for different wording, an extra hint, whatever you need, and the plan updates straight away. And this is why the test run is so valuable. Playing the student shows up everything the plan forgot to mention. Here, the frames are scrolling past too fast to read, because the plan never told the student about the Analyzer State tab. The agent spots the problem and fixes the instruction there and then. Expected values work the same way. They come from what the simulation actually does, not from a textbook. Carry on through the rest of the lesson the same way, or click any step on the progress bar to jump straight to it. When you're happy with everything, untick authoring and lock the plan with a password, so your students can't peek at the answers or the marking scheme. Save the project, and that single file, schematic, simulation and lesson plan together is what you hand out to the class. And that's it. Create a plan, test run as your students will see it, refine it as you go, and lock it when you're done.